Hello, kids. Today, we are going to practice your reading comprehension. Are you ready? Let's begin. Today, we will read about a dog. A dog is a pet animal. Dogs have 4 legs and a tail. Now your turns to read. They like to bark and play. Dogs can be big or small. Now your turns to read. They eat food and drink water. Some dogs help people work. Now your turns to read. Dogs like to run and jump. A baby dog is called a puppy. Now your turns to read. Now give the correct answers of the following questions. What is a dog? A pet animal. B, a bird. C, a fish. Answer: a dog is a pet animal. How many legs does a dog have? A, 2. B, 4. C, 6. Answer: a dog has 4 legs. What is a baby dog called? A, kitten. B, a puppy. C, a cub. Answer: a baby dog is called a puppy. What do dogs like to do? A, swim and fly. B, run and jump. C, sleep all day. Answer: dogs like to run and jump. Good job, kids. See you in the next lesson. Subscribe to our channel to keep your learning adventure with us.